So our customer brought in this first gen MR2 for us to do an exhaust on. He wanted the system to still look factory, so he had a factory Toyota muffler that he went and actually restored a little bit and had repowder coated. What I need to do first is get that mounted in the car, and then after I get that in there and set where it's going to be, I'm basically going to start building from the muffler up to the Y pipe. So with our muffler mounted, I'm going to start in the back and move forward here. I'm going to get our new 2-bolt flange on here. Once I get that on there, I'm going to figure out what length of straight that I need to come off of that flange with into this 90 degree. And then after I get that kind of close, I'm just going to start piecing closer and closer. And as I figure out more and more of what's going to fit, I'll tack one small section together, get that fitted where I want it, and just keep moving on. And eventually what I'll have is a full system all tacked together, ready to fit. And once I verify it all fits in the car the way I want it to, I'm going to pull it all out of the car and we're going to finish weld everything out. So to start, we designed a flange for the manifold coming off the engine. With the car being so old, nobody made a stainless steel flange for this thing. So I went through and took the stock stuff and took some dimensions off the bolt pattern and the whole location. And then drew it up in CAD and had it laser cut out. Although the design is pretty simple and straightforward, I do have a limited amount of space that I'm able to work with. What I need to do first is make the Y pipe that's going to convert the 2 outlets of the factory manifold into one. And then after I get that made, I'm going to transition it and flatten it out with this 45 and get it straight going down the car. So now that we have everything all welded out, I'm going to take it off the table here. We're going to go throw it on the car. I'm going to verify that everything fits the way I wanted it to, and then we're going to get this thing out the door. Now that everything fits the way I want it to, I need to go see if I can fit in this car now and go take it for a test drive.